right. All right. 1 2 1 2 testing 1 2. Can you hear me, guys? Anybody here? Yeah, my internet completely crashed. Everything crashed, really, literally. Okay, perfect. That's great. Oh, SPY is actually, you can see the four charts, right? Okay, awesome. So NEO is quite strong, as you can see, relatively strong. So that positive news from China coming in and probably affecting all the Chinese stocks. So you know, just keep an eye on those. Might be some decent plays on those. NEO is relatively strong, for sure. So we'll keep that. What else do we have? Let's keep the big names here. Apple is also really strong. Apple is quite strong. SIDU, this is your stop run right here. So rug pull came in after the, so a lot of people went in long after 704s, 703s, possibly show scalpers. That's why you wait up. That's why you wait. Take your time. It got in a lot of people involved in the longs here, 704, 705, 706s, and then all of a sudden rug pull comes in and takes everybody out. So we're just gonna have to see. It's not over. SIDU is not over. I'm long biased on it, but I want to make sure I wait on it before it takes out the 7. 7 is definitely a level to watch if it closes above it. So yeah, SIDU, and then we have a slightly weaker version of that is ADN, but I really prefer, if I was gonna long, it'll probably be SIDU. I think that has much more strength in it if it's gonna run. So I'm gonna wait on it to close above 7s. Maybe even wait for it to close 724s, 725s, pre-market highs, yesterday's close. That's a better level in my opinion. In fact, I'm gonna keep that as a zone there. 7. This area here is our zone now. So it's gotta be breaking above that for me to be even considering anything on it. SIDU. Red box wash, really? Yeah, on 1160s too. Yeah, that's quite a bit of wash for a stock. That's $11. So not the cleanest, but there is definitely a wash. What does it look like? Wow, SPY is strong, huh? Where is darkness when you need him? Hopefully he's benefiting from these kind of moves. On SPY, let's have a look at SPY. We have agent. Not much of a resistance, to be honest, on SPY. I'm trying to find something. You guys, 370, 250s. I see 380s being a level that on SPY. 377s, 380s as a level, yeah. So it's got some room to go, obviously, SPY, and we do expect bigger bounce coming in on SPY. So, yep. On RDBX, not much of a volume. It's getting a little bit thinned out. Honestly, it's we're talking about 1.1 million volume, which is not too bad. Not too bad. What is the spread like? It's looking also spready. We're talking about 3 to 5 cents spread. And daily doesn't look that great. There's volume coming in. So at 11, watch this 11 area here. This 11 area here, right there, where it bounced from. Look at the volume came in. So 11 breaks, then this might give up to the downside. So watch that 11 area on RDBX if you're looking for shorting it. But if it does bounce towards again 1127s, 30s, and then starts to feel heavy, then you can also consider something there as well. Yes, sir. Alright, SIDU is a better one. I just don't like the volume on it. That's why I kept it out. SIDU gap down and continues. EDU. Wow, NEO just reclaimed back to its original. SIDU is trying again. SIDU is trying again. Volume coming in, so keep an eye on SIDU. Those of 4.7, right? Redbox. 47. What do you mean? 47. Yeah, see the volume is coming in. This again, SSR is on Redbox. SSR is on, and also it's a bit. It feels like it's a bit illiquid at the moment. So these are the ones that can actually squeeze when they do run. And also, I've been saying this Redbox is one of those that is a short squeeze candidate. So when it does move up, it moves big. When it does move down, it just doesn't continue that much. So SIDU, keep an eye on it, guys. SIDU. I might start just over 705s, just over 705s. I might start, depending on how it takes that 7s out. Okay, getting ready. Just the volume is also. Hey, Bonbon, welcome, man. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. It's rejecting from 7s, and it's having a hard time taking that 7s out. So that's why you need to wait for it to take that out, right? Look, comes back again, it rejects from it. But it depends on how far it's going to go now, rejection. Not very far. So the more it hangs around that 7 area, that's good for us. What's up? Darkness is here. Yay! How's it going, buddy? We were mentioning you earlier. We miss you. Okay, here we go. Here we go. SIDU. I think I got in 703. 7.03, guys. 7.03. And on the break of the pre-market, I want to see if I can add 7.03. SIDU 7.03. Here we go. Come on, attack the highs. What you don't want to see is a big, massive wash under 7s. Still early, I would say. You know, the oh shit handle is here at the break of the low, low of day. So we're good on it. All good, man. All good, Bonbon. Yes, doing well. Recovering from last week. Yeah, I think I've recovered enough. 80%, I would say. Thanks for asking, buddy. Alright, struggling a little bit in that area here, 720s, as you can see. We want to take that out. This area, this zone, you see that zone? Attacks that and comes rejection from there, which I expect from it. So let's see how far the rejection comes in. And if it hangs around, as I mentioned before, hangs around this area here, then better it is for us. SIDU. SIDU. SPY. I was mentioning darkness SPY. Beautiful, right? Gaps up and continues to go up. Shows strength. Nice trend up as well. So that's gonna bring in a lot of. NEO seems to be really decent. Possible SPY is going like that though. That's the problem with it. But NEO possible shorting opportunity maybe even. Yeah, yeah. I was mentioning that just now. The only issue is SPY is pulling like that. But then again, SPY is a little bit extended, little bit. So we might expect a bit of pullback. There you go. That's it. NEO shorting. NEO under 22 shorting. I got 22s, around 22s. Stop, you guys know the stops anyways. 22s. Stop is just on the break of the wick here. About 20 cents. And 20 cents. Come on, Neo. Let's go, baby. Okay, Neo is trying to sort of take out the low, recent low, which is my level here is 2188 needs to break. 21, this area here, less, just recent low. If that breaks, then we could easily hit that low of day, and that will be the first partial. And the SPY is bouncing, obviously. Neo is bouncing from there. I expect a little bit of a bounce, but hopefully it's not going to bounce and takes out the 22. Now, if it does take out the 2218, that's fine. It's a small, 20 cents loser on it. Some fight happening on SIDU, as you can see. Again, it's just going to be patient with it. I can even remove it from the watch list. But I am more interested in it once it starts to take out that 730 area. That's when I'm going to be paying attention to it. Or if it takes out the lows here, I'll be out. So it's just kind of like a bigger picture idea. I might keep something else here, like Apple or something like that. Yeah, this bounce is coming in, and I just expect this to be taking the lows out very quickly. If it doesn't, then I might exit early as well on Neo. Just a bit at this point, getting into that chop area. There it goes. The bounce came in with volume as well to see if it is around the view app though. Does it stay 2210s? Yeah. Volume is slightly coming in. That's not good. So my stop is here, guys. My hard stop, in fact, is here because you can actually rely on this wick. It rejected from it. Hopefully, it's not gonna wick out of that. I'm just leaving about 3 cents around that area here. But let's have a look at Meta. Meta. Apple is relatively strong, by the way. If you're gonna probably take any longs on the big names, Apple seems to be the better choice. There you go. I'm out of Neo, guys. Right there, I'm out of Neo. Exactly to the hard stop, to be honest. Is it really? Oh, why is it cut off? Hold on. Okay. Hold on. I'll try to fix that. Yeah, I mean, Neo is just wicked us out, and it might have that continuation, but I'm gonna wait for it now. I will wait for it to be under 22 again, and I'll reattempt that. See, okay, left side you can't see. All right, hold on. What is going on here? Interesting. Can you see now? Meta is falling. Meta is very weak. Definitely looking weak. Meta definitely weak. What else was weak? AMD. So, you know, AMD and Meta is relatively weak, but SPY is still holding off. So, as you can see, you've got to, one single ticker cannot move the stock or the market. So this is probably because of the semiconductors being stronger. What is Tesla doing? Yeah, as you can see, Tesla and Apple and all those semiconductors, they are actually holding the SPY up, despite the fact that we have some weak stocks on the big caps. No worries, buddy boop. AMD, weak. All right. Yeah, just a waiting game. Just a waiting game, guys. Tesla is coming up to that 700 level, and it's actually really done a good move from 673s all the way to 697s. Yeah, just SIDU is struggling as well. Streambot is running. Okay. Thank you, Streambot. Keep running for me. Let's test you out. Discord. So yeah, I mean, if you look at multiple time frame, you are gonna get multiple sort of analysis on them. You just have to base your trading system according to whatever works for you, according to your data. Yeah, it was Nightbot. Nightbot, I had to sack Nightbot because it wasn't doing the job. Yeah. Unfortunately, it was bringing a lot of those sexy chats in the chat. So, actually, it wasn't Nightbot. It was not. But it just didn't like it. Wow, look at Tesla, man. That's really strong. Really, really strong. No, I didn't change it. It's just a different bot. I don't think you can change their name. You cannot change their name. It goes in the name, isn't it? Night. Anything to do with night is more of a, you know what I mean. You know what happens nighttime, guys. Mostly, generally speaking. Well, what a V reversal on this AMD. Look at that. And this is gonna obviously help SPY continue on its move up, which might be a good thing. Yes, sir. Look at that Tesla. Breaks that 700, no problem. No problems. Yes, sir. Tesla actually daily looks quite decent on Tesla. If it holds anywhere above 700 today, even above, I would say 690. I will consider it for the next few days trading, guys, on Tesla, especially on Tesla. Let me have a look at the others. Apple is quite similar as well, I would say. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Amazon is not bad right now. On 10. Actually, you know what? It might still be. I might be late on it. But definitely worth keeping an eye on. If SPY is going to run like this and other stocks running like this, definitely there will be opportunities. Microsoft coming down, showing weakness. Meta is weak for sure. So now here's the thing. If SPY starts to go into a level and starts to reject and show sign of reversal or even pullback, bigger pullback, then we could even look at Meta for short, because Meta is probably the weakest of them all. So I'm looking at Meta as well for possible shorting opportunities. What is MSFT doing? Yeah, MSFT is also pulled back all the way down towards the VWAP and now bouncing from it. Dude, well, congratulations, buddy. I'm happy for you. Well done. Awesome stuff, man. Congratulations, Azel. Awesome. Best of luck with that, man. That's good to have that choice of, now what are you gonna do? You could reject them all. No, you gotta do it, man. We're talking uni, right? Yeah, it's a good position to be in. Also, I would hate to be the one writing rejection letters, though. But it's a good position, man. Well done. Awesome stuff. Yeah. Why don't you want why don't you want the market to be going up, JT? Are you buying the puts on it? I think we're a little bit extended now. We might see some slowdown, but then you can't tell with the SPY. It could just creep up all day. You don't know. But I think Tesla is just pulling the market with it. Look at this. Look at this thing. That's crazy, man. Crazy. Really? GME? Something happened? Wow, GME. Whoa. What's going on, GME? Daily looks nice. Daily doesn't look that bad. Not the greatest of the daily, but it still looks good. Keep an eye on GME as well. Yeah, short-term trend line on REV, right? Looking good, by the way. REV for possible long opportunity over 415 though. Yeah, REV looks alright, but for me, it's not very low priced stock, but I would rather wait for it to break that 415. And also, even if it does break, I think this might get heavily shorted. What was the company's? Company cutting workforce. Okay, so building Elon Musk company, Tesla cutting workforce, Kellogg, 3 companies. Financial, just can't really understand the news behind it. Small window for long, yeah. I just don't like it, to be honest. REV, both sides, I'm not too crazy about it. A red box, as I said, look at the red box, guys. I said to be careful with this one because this usually squeezes people out. Look at that. That's why we waited on it. It's hitting that 12 now and it's breaking that, no problem. So this, when it does squeeze properly. Yeah, scalping maybe, yeah. But then again, don't get me wrong. On REV, once it starts to take out the 415, and if it starts to bring in more volume, it might squeeze a little bit, yeah, because of being low priced. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are watching that level there. And also we've got, it's a really beautiful intraday set pattern though. It's a beautiful intraday pattern. If it wasn't this stock, I probably would have been all over it, but I just feel like it might be a all-day drifter. ADN is coming back. REV is interesting, guys. Just if you are gonna take it, just be careful. Maybe partial out a bit early. Oh, volume coming in on REV. REV alert is hitting as well for me as well. So yeah, keep an eye on REV, guys. Volume coming in. Possible long opportunities, but I just can't find the catalyst on it. What was the catalyst on it, guys? These things can halt very quickly. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, beautiful intraday pattern though. Beautiful intraday pattern. Yeah. SIDU, I'm going to be out soon on it. SIDU, if it does take out the lows and close under it. What? Rumors of possible buyouts. Okay, that could be something, yeah. I mean, if that's the case, then yeah, it could. It looks like one of those pump stocks, so I can understand why it will move like that. Yeah. Rumors of buyout definitely usually does bring in some pumpers in the stock. It's the best excuse for people to pump it. Yeah, and these usually will run when they do run. What is the REV? Let's just check the. It's not very low. Shares 54 million. Yeah, 54 million is not low. No, I didn't take it, unfortunately. Yeah, it's staying strong. Staying strong over 415s. Look at the volume coming in on it now. Nice, Mano, well done. 417. Yeah, really ideal place. Ideal place. You know, you saw that 414, 415 was getting rejected really like to the tick. And yeah, good one, mate. Good one. All right, guys, just give me a few minutes. I need to make a call.